Here we have collected 15 most inspiring quotes from Napoleon Hill, widely known as the author of many inspirational books about the secrets of achieving what you want in life and how to become successful. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. 2. A goal is a dream with a deadline. 3. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe it can achieve. 4. Every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. 5. Perhaps we shall learn as we pass through this age that the other self is more powerful than the physical self we see when we look into a mirror. 7. A genius is simply one who has taken full possession of his own mind and directed it toward objectives of his own choosing, without permitting outside influences to discourage or mislead him. 8. Any ideas, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. 9. The strongest oak of the forest is not the one that is protected from the storm and hidden from the sun. It's the one that stands in the open, where it is compelled to struggle for its existence against the winds and rains and the scorching sun. 11. Desire is the starting point of all achievement, not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. 12. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. 13. Effort only fully releases its reward after a person refuses to quit. 14. Most so-called failures are only temporary defeats. 15. If you give up before your goal has been reached, you are a quitter. A quitter never wins, and a winner never quits. Lift this sentence out. Write it on a piece of paper in letters an inch high and place it where you will see it every night before you go to sleep and every morning before you go to work. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.